Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we'll create cinematic color refinement using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and begin with small exposure corrections so your base looks clean. Cinematic color refinement is about subtle polishing rather than dramatic edits. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that gently enhance tones. Choose one that improves color richness without overpowering detail. Lower the opacity so the effect blends naturally. Add a curves adjustment layer and make slight adjustments to fine-tune tonal depth. Use color balance if you need to correct minor color shifts introduced by the LUT. Zoom in to inspect details and ensure